Hi, my name is Mark Pennine. I'm the Towel and Stone Technical Manager for ARDEX. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the need for speed for large format towel installations. There's no margin for error when working with a challenging large format towel, but ARDEX is here to help you. These large format towel systems allow you to install towel in as little as 1 day. For your waterproofing, we recommend the ARDEX A+9. A+9 is a cement-based, two-component waterproofing and crack isolation membrane that allows you to towel in just 90 minutes. For your floor applications, ARDEX S28 Rapid Set Super Format Towel and Stone Uncoupling Mortar allows you to grout in just 4 hours. And for your wall applications, the product of choice is the ARDEX X77 MICROTEC Fiber Reinforced Towel and Stone Mortar. It has a true 60-minute open time. To complete your installation, always go with the ARDEX FL Rapid Set Sanded Grout. It allows you to be open to traffic in just 90 minutes. ARDEX Need for Speed large format towel systems perform under pressure and are fast-track solutions that keep you on schedule. Please contact your local sales pro at the number on the screen. We look forward to hearing from you.